जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान. सो नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द फुल सर्कल. हम लोग अयोध्या से चले थे, अब हम अयोध्या वापस आ रहे हैं. वी आर रिटर्निंग बैक टू अयोध्या. एंड इन उत्तरकांड I would, there are many meanings. It is north, it is the last, or it is the summary. But the best is it is the answer, right? प्रश्नों के उत्तर मिलेंगे इधर. So that is what, many meanings. We can interpret it the way we want. And so I'm so looking forward to understanding and learning Uttarkand. Now, all through we saw Hanumanji beautifully shadowing Ramji and kind of where we know that the Lord does not quite need a shadow or any support or any help. But Hanumanji is no other than the Lord himself. Right? कहते ना, मैंने हनुमान जी से पूछा था, it's a very beautiful thing. Once Ramji was so overwhelmed after all that had happened in Lanka. On the way back, हमने देखा कि वो सीता माँ को सब दिखा रहे थे कि अरे देखो, this is the cave. यहाँ पंपा रिवर है, पंपा नदी है. यहाँ पे सुग्रीव थे, यहाँ किष्किंधा है, यहाँ पे I met शबरी माँ. And he was just retracing the path. And on the way they did naman to everybody. देखिए कई बार क्या होता है ना, राम जी टीचर्स अस अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लेसन ऑन द रिटर्न जर्नी. ही डिड नॉट फॉरगेट एनीबडी हु वाज देयर विथ हिम थ्रू हिज ऑर्डियल. राइट? जब पैदल चल रहे थे तभी भी सबको नमन करा. अब पुष्पक विमान विच बिलोंग्स टू कुबेर उसमें उड़ रहे हैं, तभी भी सबको नमन करते हुए चल रहे हैं. We should never ever forget who stood by us when we were nothing. Right? Always remember the people who helped you build or become what you are going to become or what you have become. So on the way back, not for a moment, he did not stop acknowledging, telling about, getting down to do naman, and in the process क्या हुआ, it became a little late. Right? कि भी एक एक जगह रुकते हुए जा रहे हैं तो होता है ना, we say कि we'll reach that destination in 3 hours, but if you want to take coffee breaks, it depends. कितना लंबा कॉफी ब्रेक होगा, कितनी देर आप रुकेंगे, क्या करेंगे, तो उसमें जर्नी एलोंगेट हो जाती है. तो he knew कि I have to reach अयोध्या on a particular day or at a particular time, otherwise भरत नहीं रुकेंगे. Right? सो उनको ध्यान था, पर बार बार रुकते रुकते बताते बताते. एंड देयर इज अ ब्यूटिफुल डायलॉग विच वाज हैपनिंग बिटवीन एवरीबडी, एंड वन सच डायलॉग विच वाज हैपनिंग बिटवीन हनुमान जी एंड राम जी. एंड ही आस्क्ड कि तुमने मेरे लिए इतना करा, राइट? यू नेवर थॉट अबाउट योर सेल्फ, यू वर ऑलवेज देयर. इन तुलसी रामायण द स्टोरी ऑफ अहिरावण इज नॉट कवर्ड, and the Panchmukhi Hanuman. Right? We'll cover it later, maybe tomorrow, next week or the week after. But there are many such stories. It's all right. The gist has been taken into account because कहते हैं ना, हरि अनंत, हरि कथा अनंता, कहे सुने बहुविधि कहीं संता. सुनने वाले भी संत होते हैं, बोलने वाले भी संत होते हैं, और सबकी अपनी अपनी रुचि होती है, अपना अपना तरीका होता है. तो while they are talking, हनुमान जी से वो पूछते हैं कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए कौन हूँ, इतना मेरे लिए करा. आफ्टर ऑल कहते ना, ऐसा क्या नाता है हमारा, हु एम आई टू यू. इसलिए मैं वो प्यारा सा एक सॉन्ग याद आ जाता है ना, तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई. सच अ ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग. प्रभु ने अगर आवाज दी होती तो मैं जरूर गाती, पर मैं गा नहीं पाती हूँ. सो ही आस्क्ड कि तेरा मुझसे नाता क्या है, मतलब सोचता भी नहीं है तू और उतर जाता है. तो प्रभु और हनुमान, अब हनुमान जी देख रहे हैं प्रभु को, प्रभु देख रहे हैं हनुमान जी को. एंड व्हेन राम जी एंड हनुमान जी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग ना, द वर्ल्ड वैनिशेस फॉर देम. राम के लिए हनुमान होते हैं, हनुमान के लिए राम होता है, और कोई बचता ही नहीं है. देयर इज नो बडी एल्स हु इज देयर, यू नो. सो हनुमान जी पहले तो सोचे अब क्या बोलूं, क्या नाता इनको समझाऊं. ही नोज एवरीथिंग कि मेरा इनसे क्या नाता है, पर अब जब पूछ ही लिया है तो बता ही देता हूँ. राइट. हनुमान जी भी सोचते थे अब भगवान ने पूछ ही लिया है तो बोल देता हूँ. राइट. नहीं पूछते तो एनी विच वेज ही स्टैंडिंग इन अ कॉर्नर क्वाइट, यू नो, oblivious. Everybody becomes oblivious of his existence because he does not want to be noticed. Right? भक्त ऐसा ही होता है ना कि भक्त के माध्यम से भगवान याद आए. कोई ऐसा भक्त हो जो कहे कि मैं याद आऊं, वो गलत हो जाता है. कलयुग है. आजकल क्या होता है, भगवान के माध्यम से भक्त याद आना चाहता है. कई बार इट इज हैपनिंग नाउअडेज कि भगवान के माध्यम से हम भगवान को तो भूल जाते हैं, उनके भक्त को ही याद करने लग जाते हैं. पर यहां ऐसा नहीं था. सो हनुमान जी वहां बोले कि सी प्रभु, व्हेन आई एम रेबलिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड, राइट, देन यू आर गॉन एंड आई एम योर भक्त. भक्त भी नहीं हूं मैं, तो कोशिश कर रहा हूं भक्त बनने की, क्योंकि मैं संसार में रचा बचा हूं ना. आई एम engrossed in this world. But then slowly and steadily, Prabhu, when I go within, when slowly the noise of this world becomes further and further away, I realize that I am but a part of you. I am no different from you. मेरे में और आप में तो कोई भेद नहीं है. मैं आप ही का एक अंश हूं. A small portion, like, you know, the ocean, and I am your droplet. But then, when the noise totally vanishes, when nothing else exists, my Lord, I realize that I am you and you are me. In fact, तब मैं रहता ही नहीं हूं. It is only you that exists. आप ही रह जाते हैं. और जब आप ही रह जाते हैं तो मैं क्या और मैंने क्या किया, सब आप ही कर रहे होते हैं ना प्रभु. इट इज ओनली यू, इट इज ओनली यू, इट इज ओनली यू. प्यारी प्यारी बातें करते हुए प्रभु, यू नो, यू विल सी दैट व्हेनेवर हनुमान जी टॉक्स, वाणी ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए कि जो सामने वाला हो ना, उसका मन करे कि आपको गले से लगा ले. कटु शब्द मत बोलिए, जरूरत ही नहीं है. राइट. इज देयर एनी नीड? नो नीड. सो जब हनुमान जी बोलते थे ना, तो वी सॉ, राइट, रावण को इन लंका कांड जब युद्ध चल रहा था, when मुष्टि प्रहार, you know, he gave a big box to Ravan also. Ravan fainted and he got up and he admired हनुमान जी. वाह क्या शक्ति है. हनुमान जी ऐसे थे कि दुश्मन भी कहते थे कि आओ मैं तुम्हें गले लगा लूं. हनुमान हनुमान हनुमान. सो प्रभु ने उनको गले लगाया. एंड सो while going they reached Bharadwaj ashram, right? That is where the entire journey had started. So he reached there. He said, listen, I have to stop here. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं प्रभु did not want to reach Ayodhya before he had totally calmed himself down. There was a भयंकर युद्ध that had gone on, right? Lots. And Ayodhya कहाँ है? Ayodhya is a place where there is no war. We can say that it is a place जिसको हम जीत नहीं सकते, पर उसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि वहां पे कोई क्लेश नहीं है मन में. सो प्रभु ने बोला भरद्वाज ऋषि के साथ बैठता हूं, उनसे बात करता हूं. We will all be in this सत संगति and purify ourselves. But तब तक हनुमान तुम तो आगे निकल जाओ, because nothing touches हनुमान, right? हनुमान तो हमेशा अपनी मस्ती में क्लेश रहित रहते हैं, तो उनको जरूरत नहीं थी रुकने की. उन्होंने बोला तुम तो जाओ, भरत को रोको, भरत को बताओ कि आई एम कमिंग. सो हनुमान जी टुक फ्लाइट एंड ही रीचेस अयोध्या. On his way to Ayodhya, there are many descriptions of it. It is said that Ayodhya, when Hanuman ji was coming to Ayodhya, they had, हम जब दिवाली की कहानियां सुनाते हैं, तो we said a lot of candles and lights and everything were lit up, you know, to show him that this is Ayodhya, इनको इधर आना है. अमावस्या के दिन हुआ था ना. So that is another description. It is beautiful. But over here in Uttarkand, it starts in this manner कि Hanuman ji has taken flight. And Bharat over here is wondering, where is the Lord? देखिए, चाहे वो कितना ही बड़ा भक्त हो, कभी ना कभी व्याकुलता उसको छू ही जाती है ना? नो मैटर हाउ बिग अ डिवोटी यू आर, यू कैन एंड यू डू बिकम एंग्शियस एट टाइम, वंडरिंग कि कहीं गलती तो नहीं हो गई. इज द पाथ दैट आई एम वॉकिंग राइट और रॉन्ग? इज माई तपस इनफ और नॉट? इज द लॉर्ड हैप्पी और नॉट? हैज द लॉर्ड फॉरगॉटन मी और नॉट? कहीं ना कहीं मन में ये व्याकुलता आ जाती है. एंड भरत, in spite of all that he did, today also if we go to Nandigram, Bharat's asan or where he used to sleep is dug below. क्योंकि he said अगर प्रभु फर्श पे सो रहे हैं and if he is sleeping on the floor, on the ground, I have to sleep below. I cannot sleep at the same level with my divine. आज भी if you go you see that. We think कि तपस्या राम जी ने की, we think की तपस्या लक्ष्मण ने की. भरत की तपस्या was different. He could have stayed in the castle. He was not obliged to leave, but he did. शत्रुघ्न को संभला के वो निकल पड़े. At the same time, he was running the and doing the duties of Ayodhya also. देखिए, एक तो होता है leaving everything and going away, है ना? It's very easy. सब छोड़िए, निकल जाइए. पर having the responsibility and still living like भरत, संसार में रह के सन्यासी के तरह जीना is very difficult, right? Because it tests you every time. When you're not there, nothing is there, it is easy. But when you're there in sansar, when in the midst of a storm, then is the real test, right? So लक्ष्मण और राम जी तो चले गए थे, भरत तो पीछे रह गए थे. But then, even then, उनका मानसिक संतुलन बिल्कुल नहीं बिगड़ा. He did not leave the path he had chosen along with the duties he was given. इसीलिए we say, right, लक्ष्मण तो लक्ष्मण, भरत वाह, है ना? भरत वाह. So now he is waiting and he is wondering कि the term of the exile is almost going to get over, right? There is only one day left, but there is no sight, there is no news. Is my Lord coming? Is he not coming? Has he decided not to come? Probably he does not think that I am a good person. And वो व्याकुलता होती है ना, that is going on in Bharat's mind. He's saying, the Lord knew me to be false and perverse. Probably he thought that I'm still fault. I'm at fault. Probably my mind is still perverse. That is why he refused to take me along with him. हो सकता है, that is why he did not take me. He took Lakshman. जाना तो मैं भी चाहता था, right? When he had gone to get Sri Ram back, there was a point that Sri Bharat had said, कि let Lakshman go back, I will stay with you, right? ऐसा करते हैं, आप दोनों चले जाओ, भरत शत्रुघ्न रह जाएंगे. He said, both of you go back. Instead of you, Bharat and me and Shatrughan will stay. Or let Lakshman go back, I will stay. Or all of you go back, I'll stay alone. But even then he chose Lakshman. अब देखिए, हो रहा है ना the doubt. He's thinking probably even then he did not think I was pure at heart. He must have thought that I was not having good intentions again before him. तो यहाँ पे बोलते हैं ना, कपटी कुटिल मोहि प्रभु चीन्हा ताथे नाथ संग नहीं लीन्हा. कभी कभी हमारे भी ख्याल में आ जाता है ना, प्रभु आप मुझे कपटी कुटिल ही समझते होंगे, इसी के लिए संग नहीं ले रहे हैं, छोड़ दिया यहाँ पे मृत्यु लोक में. किसको आना होता है मृत्यु लोक? किसी को नहीं आना होता है. इट इज लाइक इट इज लाइक मक दैट वी आर लिविंग इन एंड वी हैव फॉरगॉटन दैट वी आर इन मक. There were two pigs, right? So they were living in the muck. Pigs कैसे रहती हैं? Not the ones that were to be eaten, but the pigs were living in muck. Now Parvati Ma felt very sad about it. She said, it is not fair. या लक्ष्मी माँ मान लीजिए आप लोग. This is not fair. We should take them to heaven. उनने क्या करा है? Go and fetch them. Then they went and they went to the pig. He said, no, let me ask my wife first, whether we can come with you or not. So he went and asked his wife. So the wife said, just ask him. In heaven, will we have the filth, the dirt, the mud, all that we are living in right now, is it there in heaven? So they went to the messengers. They said कि अच्छा ये गंदगी कीचड़ जिसमें हम रहते हैं रोज, वो स्वर्ग में है या नहीं है? And they said, नहीं, it is not there. It is very clean, it is beautiful. You have ambrosia and all those, celestial divine flowers. It smells amazing, it does not stink. Okay, then I'm not going. अगर ये सब नहीं है तो हम क्यों जाएं? We have forgotten now. हम लोग, just because we have been reveling in the filth, we have forgotten the divinity of the other realm. यही हमारा हाल हो गया. So any which way, so like going back, so he's saying कि कपटी कुटिल मोहि प्रभु चीन्हा ताते नाथ संग नहीं लीना. That is why he has not taken me with him. Otherwise मुझे भी तो साथ लेके जाते ना. Why is it that he took Lakshman only? Now just imagine 14 years of exile के बाद में जब एक दिन बचा है, this thought is running rampant in his mind. हाँ, जो करनी समुझे प्रभु मोरी नई निस्तार कल्प सत कोरी. And what does he say? What is the meaning of this? He said, the Lord knew me to be false and perverse. That is why he refused to take me along with him. If the Lord were to consider my doings, there would be no redemption for me even after countless cycles. In fact, now he's saying, if the Lord was to account my doings, इसमें हम अपने आप को रख लीजिए. See, we are not going to we have not listened to the Ramayana from a third person's point of view. Wherever they are talking about all this, we have to place ourselves. So over here saying, कि if the Lord were to account for everything that I do, I say, I think, in a billion cycles, I would have never gotten moksha. And this is the reality for all of us. जिस दिन प्रभु ने अकाउंट करना शुरू कर दिया ना, within 30 minutes ही हम फेल हो जाएंगे. What thoughts, what things, what go on in our mind, they are uncomprehendable. हम अपने आप से झूठ बोल सकते हैं, प्रभु से तो झूठ नहीं बोल सकते ना. उनको सब पता है कि 30 मिनट के अंदर अंदर दिमाग में क्या घूम जाता है. Failed, never getting मोक्ष. पर then जाने अवगुण प्रभु मन ना काऊ दीन बंधु अति मृदु स्वभाव. But he says, ये तो मेरे प्रभु हैं. He would not leave me like this because his nature is not like this. What he says, but the Lord never takes into account the fault of his devotees. वो अपनी भक्तों की त्रुटियां कभी नहीं देखते. इसी के लिए हम करते हैं ना कि it is not that Lord is punishing us, it is on our own doing. He never looks at our faults. He is always all loving. कर्मों का फल हम अपने कर्मों से भोग रहे हैं, वो थोड़ी दंड दे रहे हैं. उनके पास में और कोई काम नहीं है क्या? ऐसा नहीं है. He is full of love and he does not even look at our faults. And then he says, he is actually most tender hearted. कहते हैं ना, मृदुल स्वभाव, नरम दिल है. अजामिल पूरी जिंदगी त्रुटियां की. All his life was an account of negative affairs. But in the end, when he said Narayan with all his heart, the Lord came running. ऐसे हैं प्रभु. So he says कि no, this could not be the reason that the Lord has not reached so far. Right? Just imagine that dvand chal raha hai, that conversation is going on within Bharat, he's talking. And now he's thinking and his mind is sinking. उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है because होता है ना, अब there was a lot of patience till we reached Uttarakhand. And suddenly the patience is running out कि अब मुझे और देखना है आगे क्या होगा. And so up now, for 14 years, 13 years and so many days, he was very patient. But वो जो last दिन है ना, अब इंतजार नहीं हो रहा. He is so restless and the Lord knew कि बस अब हो गया. See, the Lord tests us or makes us wait only till we can. अगर हमारी ordeals खत्म नहीं हो रही हैं, मतलब we have the strength. The Lord will never give us more than we can handle. हमेशा. तो अगर त्रुटियां, तकलीफें आ रही हैं, right? It's okay. that means we can handle it. When the Lord realizes कि अब इसके बस की बात नहीं, वो हनुमान जी को भेज देंगे. He realized कि इतने समय भरत ने अपने आप को संभाल लिया, अब इसके बस की बात नहीं है. तो what did he do? He sent हनुमान जी immediately. See, he is all knowing. प्रभु को क्या बताना? Do you think we really need to tell him? He knows. We always say, right? He sees without eyes, he walks without legs, he smells without a nose, he speaks without a mouth, he hears without ears. He knows. कुछ बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. He knows how much we can handle and he knows when it is not going to be possible without Hanuman. So Hanumanji came. While this was going on, the Dvand was going on, he is chanting Ram, Ram, Raghupati Ram, 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 Raghupati Ram. Because itna man mein vyakulta hai कि now he cannot stay even a second without Sri Ram. Ramji knew कि now Bharat will just finish the entire process of wait. Even one day is not possible for him. Bharatji was about to, they say, just give up when Hanumanji came and held his hand. He said, Ruko. There are many beautiful descriptions where they said that Bharat was about to get onto the pyre of fire, right? And burn himself. वो रामचरितमानस में नहीं है. But yes, when his last, कहते हैं ना, strand or string of hope was about to get over, उससे पहले ही हनुमान जी ने आके हाथ पकड़ लिया. पहले रुको, राम आ रहे हैं. Ram is just on his way. He is coming. He is coming. He is coming. And Bharatji just embraced Hanumanji, who was in a disguised form. Hanumanji never appears in his own form. हमने देखा है, right? Yes, he appeared in his own form when he was going to get the Sanjeevani because वो गिर गए थे, है ना? भरत ने उनको गिरा दिया था. उस समय भी he thought it is a Rakshas. But over here, when he hugged Hanumanji, he said, who are you? Who has come to give me this beautiful news? Who saved my very life? At that time, Hanumanji reveals himself and says, I am Ram Bhakt Hanuman. Bharatji falls on his feet. He said, ऐसे मत करिए, आप जाइए, तैयारी करिए, रुकिए. He is coming. Hold on. You know, कहता है ना, we talked about it. When everything in you says, now I cannot hold on, that is when you have to hold on. And then, saying all this, इतना मतलब, the feeling, the joy, कहते हैं ना, Nij Das did the jewel, and now he's asking, did Ramji even remember me? हनुमान को पूछ रहे. See, it is very nice. हम बोलते हैं ना कि I remember the Lord all the time. बहुत अच्छी बात है, वो तो हमें करना ही चाहिए. If we are not remembering the Lord with every breath, then something is amiss. It is not something unusual that we are doing. It is something we should do. Because मनुष्य शरीर प्रभु प्राप्ति के लिए ही मिला है. But that is not his problem. He never forgot the Lord when he left. Not for even a millisecond. But now the question is, did the Lord remember me? क्या प्रभु ने मुझे याद किया? क्या हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा ख्याल नहीं आता? हम बहुत लोगों से जलते हैं, कभी भक्तों से जलन नहीं हो जाती कि क्या पता प्रभु इसको ज्यादा प्यार करते होंगे? आता है नहीं आता दिमाग में? I don't know. आना चाहिए ना कि am I his favorite or not? Probably somebody else is more, dear to him. ये भक्तों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी जलनें हो जाती हैं, when they want the Lord to be totally his. अभी हम देखेंगे. So when this kind of an emotion arises, what he does? निज दास जो रघुवंश भूषण कबहु मम सुमिरन करियो. Did he ever remember me as a servant? कभी उन्हें मुझे याद किया क्या हनुमान? Now just imagine, हनुमान was thrilled. मतलब just imagine, दो भक्त मिलेंगे और उनमें चर्चा ये हो रही है कि प्रभु ने मुझे याद किया या नहीं, तुम बताओ, क्योंकि तुम अभी उनसे मिलके आ रहे हो. There is no other charcha in this world which is worth, there is no other talk which is worth uttering from our mouth than the talk of the divine. Everything else is futile, mundane discussions. Worthless, if we say a bit. द सही यूज ऑफ दिस माउथ इज व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द लॉर्ड. बाकी सब व्यर्थ, वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है. खुद देख लीजिए तृप्ति कब मिलेगी, जब प्रभु चर्चा होगी. एवरीथिंग एल्स विल लीव यू एम्प्टी. असेस करके देख लेना. सुनी है ना सुनी भरत वचन विनीत अति कपि पुलकी तन चरण ही पसियो. एंड ही वाज सो कहते हैं तन पुलक गया एकदम. ही वाज सो जॉयस, ही वाज थ्रिल्ड एंड ही फेल एट भरत's फीट. कि अगर प्रभु तुम्हें याद नहीं करेंगे तो किसको याद करेंगे. एंड दिस इज द ह्यूमिलिटी ऑफ अ डिवोटी. इसे कहते हैं ना, प्रभु को सरल भक्त पसंद है. नाउ वी ऑल टॉक अबाउट द तपस्या ऑफ भरत, राइट. वी ऑल से कि भरत जैसी तपस्या, भरत जैसा विश्वास, भरत जैसी भरत जैसा सैक्रिफाइस. दिस इज व्हाट वी कीप सेइंग, राइट. बट भरत डज नॉट नो अबाउट इट. दैट इज द ट्रू क्वालिटी ऑफ अ डिवोटी. हम थोड़ा सा करते हैं और हमें अहम आ जाता है कि सी आई एम डूइंग सो मच. उनने इतना सब करा तो भी उनको लगा कि पता नहीं मैं इस काबिल हूं या नहीं हूं. दैट इज द ट्रूथ. सो व्हेन यू फील यू हैव डन सो मच, दिल्ली अभी बहुत दूर है, लॉन्ग वे टू गो, राइट. So just imagine, why did Hanumanji get so overwhelmed when he looked at Bharat? Because he had no idea of the work he had done, the sacrifice he had done. He did not even realize that how could anybody be more dear to Sri Ram than Bharat. And he fell at Bharat's feet. इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, सरल बनो, सरल बनो. And what is the true indication of सरलता? जब उस इंसान को खुद नहीं पता हो कि वो सरल है. नहीं तो जब अपन बोलते हैं ना, आई एम अ वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ पर्सन, यू आर नॉट डाउन टू अर्थ. जब आपको पता है कि आई एम अ वेरी सिंपल पर्सन, यू आर नॉट सिंपल. बिकॉज दैट पर्सन हु इज ट्रूली हम्बल, ट्रूली होली, ट्रूली अ ओशन ऑफ नोबल वर्च्यूज विल नॉट रियलाइज इट हिमसेल्फ. क्योंकि कहते हैं ना, बुरा देखन मैं गया, बुरा ना दिखिया कोई, जब मन झाका आपना, मुझसे बुरा ना कोई. आज भरत की भी यही स्थिति हो रही है. बुरा देखन मैं गया, बुरा ना दिखिया कोई, जब मन झाका आपना, मुझसे बुरा ना कोई. अरे बाबा, मेरे से ज्यादा पतित कोई है ही नहीं. दैट इज व्हाट भरत हैज बीन सेइंग, राइट. सो नाउ व्हेन दिस काइंड ऑफ डिवोटी इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हनुमान जी, हनुमान जी तो चरणों पे गिर जाएंगे ना. वो तो दासों के भी दास हैं, राइट. ही इज द दास ऑफ द दास ऑफ द दास ऑफ प्रभु. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई आई एम हनुमान जी से, आई एम द राइट हैंड ऑफ राम जी, राइट एंड लेफ्ट बोथ, अब तुम मेरे चरणों पे गिरो. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. सही में अ ट्रू डिवोटी विल नॉट हैव इट. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड a very, इसको भी करेंगे, this is actually a part of tomorrow. This is called attachment to a designation or a role. And ये बहुत जनों में मैंने देखा है इन दिनों. When I was reading this, about attachment in Karma Yoga, I realized कि है तो सही. Because we get so attached and then we expect that kind of a response and we expect that kind of a कहते हैं ना, सत्कार, आदर, रिस्पेक्ट. सो एंड दिस एग्जाम्पल हैज बीन गिवन सो ब्यूटिफुली बाय राम सुखदास जी कि व्हेन समबडी इज रीडिंग द कथा, राइट, एट दैट मोमेंट द कथा इज हैपनिंग ना, उसके बाद में ही शुड बी विलिंग टू बिकम अ श्रोता, ही शुड बी विलिंग टू बिकम अ स्वीपर. दैट भान भी नहीं होना चाहिए. पर आजकल हम देखते हैं ना, बड़े बड़े श्रोता जो वक्ता होते हैं, दे थिंक कि उनको तो बस एकदम ही भगवान जैसा ही ट्रीटमेंट मिलना चाहिए. वो अटैचमेंट टू बीइंग अ वक्ता हो जाता है. सरलता तो तब होती है कि जब वो सड़क पे निकले तो ऐसा लगे ही नहीं कि अरे ये अभी कथा करके उठा था. दैट अटैचमेंट टू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग शुड ऑल्सो नॉट बी देयर. ना हनुमान जी में है, ना भरत में है. दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ हनुमान जी एंड भरत. एंड दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ आवर स्क्रिप्चर्स. टाइम एंड अगेन दे टेल अस, जागो चेतो, जागो चेतो, right? Now he says to Ram, you are as dear as life, right? तुम्हारे से राम प्राण प्रिय नाथ तुम्ही, सत्य वचन ममतात. He says, मैं सही बोल रहा हूं. You are as dear to Ram as his own life, or even more. Puni puni milit bharat suni harshna hriday samat. And the joy, hearing this, Bharat embraces Hanuman again and again and again and again. The joy, he cannot contain the joy in his own heart. And saying this, Bharatji returns to Ayodhya and Hanumanji goes to get Ramji. देखिए भगवान को भक्ति ही ला सकती है और कुछ नहीं. तो भगवान को लाने हनुमान को ही जाना पड़ेगा ना, वो तो भक्ति के अवतार है. एंड भरत रशेस टू अनाउंस कि तैयारी शुरू करो, राम आ रहे हैं. Right? Ram is coming, Ram is coming. He goes, he shouts, he tells everybody, Ma Kaushalya, Ma Kekai, Ma Sumitra cannot contain themselves. They're literally running when he stops them. कि अरे रुको, अभी रुको, आने वाले. Ayodhya Vasi, they just don't know what to do, what not to do. It is a beautiful tale which is not over here. It is said that all through the 14 years of exile, all the people in Ayodhya followed the same decorum that Ramji had followed. Right? So just imagine, suddenly the news has come ki Ramji aa rahe, Ramji aa rahe. Everywhere there was utsaha, everywhere there was joy. The decoration started, people started singing, dancing. They took out that heavy dresses that had not come out for so long because sannyas roop mein sab घूम रहे थे. Ayodhya में भी सन्नाटा था. There was music, there was joy. Many people who had climbed up there, they just climbed up to see कि from where will the Pushpak Viman come? Because they heard that he's going to fly down. So they started looking up, thinking कि कहाँ से आएगा Pushpak Viman? So much of joy. And while coming, he's showing everybody, see, this is my Ayodhya. कहते हैं ना, Ayodhya is dearer to me than Vaikuntha Dham also. जितना प्यार मैं अयोध्या का करता हूं उतना शायद मैं मेरे वैकुंठ को भी नहीं करता. कहते हैं ना कि किसके अवतार थे. थ्रू आउट रामायण वी हैव काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टूड दैट बियॉन्ड द क्रिएशन एग्जिस्ट द क्रिएटर. राइट? दैट वन डिवाइन एनर्जी, वो ही राम रूप में उतर आए थे. हृदय में विष्णु, गर्भोदक्षय विष्णु. Then we talk about the Vishnu in the causal ocean. How many Vishnus? कौन से विष्णु? पर ये हो सकता है कि वो जो था, that energy itself came down. And he's saying, there is nothing more dear to me than Ayodhya. Nothing more dear to me than Ayodhya. And he says, look, this Saryu, abhi bhi it flows so beautifully. Look at my Saryu. Look at my Ayodhya. किसी को भी होता है ना, सोचिए 14 years के बाद में he is coming home. His eyes are watering. He is overwhelmed. And then सब इधर कहीं उधर, कभी इधर कभी इधर. He is showing everything to them कि this is my Ayodhya. And at that time, the Pushpak Viman lands at a distance. He says, रुको, let it land at a distance. And Sri Hari gets down. And it is said that all the Vanars, they disguise as humans. Beautifully यहाँ पे आता है कि all of them, जो भी थे ना, सुग्रीव थे, अंगद थे, जामवन थे, विभीषण थे, everybody took a human form. And they all come down. And at the edge, the first person he meets is Guru Vashisht. And look at the decorum. At that time, before meeting his Guru, Lakshmanji and Ramji drop their weapons. Their bow and arrow is put down, the shoes are removed, and straight they do a teda Dandvat Pranam. Dandvat Pranam सीधा नहीं करते ना, गुरु को टेढ़ा होता है हमेशा. Right? There is always a way when things are done. So he falls at his feet and Guru hugs him. Vamdev, Vashisht Guru, all the Gurus have gathered. The first person they meet is their Gyan Gurus. मिलते हैं and पीछे से whom does he see? He sees Bharat standing over there, and the minute he looks at Bharat, वहाँ देखते ही Bharat, and we have seen this milap, right? Ram and Bharat milap we had seen when Bharatji had come to take Ramji also, right? And they embrace themselves, both of them lock in an embrace. It is, and when Ramji and Bharatji, when they embrace, ऐसे भी वो दोनों एक जैसे दिखते हैं, they look alike, right? ये भी सांवले हैं, वो भी सांवले हैं, कद भी कुछ कुछ बराबर है, आंखें भी बराबर है. ऐसे ही यू कैन नॉट से विच वन इज विच. एंड व्हेन दे एम्ब्रेस यू कैन नॉट मेक अ डिफरेंस कि दो खड़े हैं या एक. दैट इज द लव with which it flows. It is as if two bodies and one soul are standing there. You do not know who is standing with whose support. You do not know who is standing with whose support. कि राम जी भरत को सहारा दे रहे हैं, भरत राम जी को सहारा दे रहे हैं. And after a point, the avastha of a devotee and his God is exactly like this. Differentiating between the two becomes difficult. पता ही नहीं चलता कौन सामने खड़ा है. भगवान भक्त को सहारा दे रहा है या भक्त भगवान को सहारा दे रहा है. That is something that we do not need to know. वो उनकी आपस की बात है, वो जाने. Right? So now Shivji is narrating right now. Shivji is telling Parvati, let's not forget the narrator of the entire thing. Shivji is saying the bliss was beyond one's speech and mind. It is known only to those who can feel it. This description, no matter how many times, in how many words, in the floweriest words, even if I tell you right now, would not come and sink into the heart because experience नहीं हुआ है. कई चीजें experience करनी पड़ती हैं. We have to experience this union between the devotee and the Lord to understand the magnitude of joy that must be flowing at that time. कोई बात नहीं, कभी ना कभी हमें भी अनुभव होगा. राइट? इस विश्वास पे ही तो दुनिया कायम है. राइट? एंड ऑल इज नाउ वेल विथ मी. ही इज सो हैप्पी टू सी द लॉर्ड. एंड देन व्हाट डज ही से? सुनो शिवा सो सुख बचन मन ते भिन. यू नो, सुनो शिवा सो सुख बचन मन ते भिन जान जो पाई. ही इज सेइंग दिस इज लाइक, यू नो, दिस is impossible to understand. What is he saying? I'll just translate it. Realizing this distress of a servant and taken me by the hand just when I was sinking in the ocean of disillusion. Prabhu, when I was just about to sink, you came and held me. And यही विश्वास में हमें चलना है कि प्रभु हमें कभी डूबने नहीं देंगे. If we do not remember anything, with this episode towards the Uttarakhand, when the Lord is coming back to Ayodhya and there is only one day left and Bharat is almost sinking, this episode should remind us that he will never let us sink, no matter what. Have faith. Then again he meets Shatrughan. Then Bharat ji meets Lakshman. Lakshman ji meets Shatrughan. And there is a beautiful milap that is happening between the entire family. उस समय, then Lakshman ji leaves way, and then Ma Sita is there. They come and touch her feet. They feel so much of joy. Shatrughan and Bharat. उत्ते में all the mothers come. And कहा जाता है कि Ram ji always knew that Ma Keke is still feeling guilty. So he always made her comfortable कि नहीं, कुछ भी हो, उनको बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए. However, Lakshman also met all three mothers. Ram ji also met all three mothers. But Lakshman कितना ही उनसे मिलते थे बार बार. माँ केकई को he would touch his feet. But that bitterness in his heart was somehow not going. पता नहीं क्यों. Whatever had happened, you know, was leaving still a little bit of a bad taste. But when Sumitra Ma met Lakshman, she did not see her son there. You know, what did she see? She embraced him. Right? ऐसा नहीं कि मेरा बेटा वापस आ गया. She embraced him because she was embracing the devotee of Sri Ram who had served him loyally for the past 14 years, thinking, thank you, my dear son. You have kept the promise you had given to me. उस समय उनका बेटा नहीं था. She was embracing devotion. Ma Sumitra. Beautiful description. There are no words, I think, to describe this. And then started and all the Vanars came. They were all seeing this disguised as humans. But there was a turmoil going on in the hearts of all the Ayodhya Vasis. अब अयोध्या वासी को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि हमें भी राम को देखना है, हमें भी सीता को देखना है, हमें भी राम को देखना है. They just were so, They did not know how and when and what will happen because there were so many of them, right? So what happened is nobody will ever understand the magic, and we have seen Ma Sita and Ram do it time and again. In that very moment, everybody felt that Sri Ram had personally come and talked to each one of them specifically based on what they were going through or what was their family condition or who was there in their family. Everybody felt that personal connect, that राम जी मेरे से बात करने हैं, राम जी मेरे से बात करने हैं, राम जी. तो हर भक्त को पता होना चाहिए प्रभु की जो लीला है और वो प्रभु है. इट इज नॉट लाइक संसार की मैं या ये बराबर है. कभी होता था ना कि इवन रुक्मिणी बोलती थी कौन ज्यादा प्यारा, या गोपियों में बात होती थी ना कृष्ण के लिए कि whom do you like the most. There is no the most over there for the Lord, right? हर गोपी को लगता था कृष्ण उन्हीं से मिलने आ रहे हैं, right? In the same way हर अयोध्या वासी को लगा कि राम और सीता उन्हीं से मिलने आए हैं वापस. They were personally talking to them. This was so beautiful. And then Guru Vashish said, there is no need to look at Tithi. There is no need to look at where are the planets, what are the planets. Now Ravan said, there is no need to look at it because the planets are going to sit as I tell them to sit. ना कि ऐसा ऐसे ऐसे होना चाहिए, चलो चलते हैं. But यहाँ पे when राम जी को crown करना है, every day is शुभ, every minute is शुभ, every मुहूर्त is शुभ. देखिए होनी होकर ही रहती है, राइट? कहते ना होनी होके रहती, टाले नहीं टलती. एक दिन हुआ था वनवास, आज देखो राज तिलक है. सबसे पहले राम जी went to Bharat. He removed the matted locks, right? Then he removed the matted locks of Lakshman. He made sure that his brothers were ready as prince. सब तैयार हुए. वहाँ Vedehi was made ready. All the three mothers from that sannyas avatar, they got her ready. The best of jewels were put on her so that she could be the future queen. After that he said, Ruko, the people who have come with me, Vibhishan, Angad, Hanuman, Sugriv, Jamvan, so many of them, please get them ready. The best of attire, the best of, they were bathed and they were made ready. And when everything was already done, Sri Ram went and he got ready. And he was glowing. The beauty was undescribable. जिसपे कुछ ना हो, right? वलकल पहने हुए भी वो इतने सुंदर लगते थे. तो imagine when he would have been decked up, with all those beautiful silk clothes and beautiful jewelry. How amazing would he have looked? I think the words would fail to describe how amazing that Lord would look. Once, जब this is just a joke, शिवजी की जब शादी हो रही थी ना, we know how Shivji is. He does not like to dress up much. वो भस्म रमा के रखते हैं, सब करके रखते हैं. So when he was getting married, first time around when he went with the Ganas and they dressed him up, you can imagine how Shivji was looking. He was terrifying. So everybody fainted from the Ma Parvati's side and they ran away. So now the Devas were summoned कि आप लोगों को तैयार होना आता है, आप लोग आ जाओ. So for Shivji, कहते हैं श्री हरि came, right? विष्णु जी स्वयं came. तो विष्णु जी से चलो, I'll teach you the art of getting ready. कोई बात नहीं. So he got शिवजी ready, अच्छे से तैयार व्यार करा. पहले तो साफ करा उनको, मतलब गोरा गोरा चेहरा दिख ही नहीं रहा था काली काली भस्म के आगे. तो नहला धुला के भाई पहले तो साफ हो, right? All that facial, this, that, everything was done. And he started getting him ready. And when Shivji got ready, Vishnuji could not take his eyes off him. He said, my goodness, when you look so good, ऐसे क्यों रहते हो? तैयार होके रहा करो थोड़ा. And ये आपस की बातें ऐसी टकरार भक्तों में होती हैं. भगवान में कोई टकरार नहीं है. शिव जी के प्यारे विष्णु, विष्णु के प्यारे शिव, राइट? इतनी सी बात अगर हमें समझ आ जाए तो फिर तो ये युद्ध ही खत्म हो जाए. सो ही सेड, अरे आई इंटेंशनली नॉट ड्रेस अप. क्यों भाई? Why don't you intentionally dress up? शिवजी बोलते हैं, I intentionally don't dress up. I intentionally cover myself with bhasma and all. But Vishnu ji says, why? यू सो हैंडसम, लुक एट यू, मतलब तुम्हारे से तो मेरी नजर नहीं उठ रही है, हट रही है. He said, यही तो बात है ना, यू आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, यू आर सो डियर टू मी. अगर मैं तैयार हो गया तो तुम्हें कौन देखेगा, तुम्हें तकलीफ हो जाएगी, इसी के लिए मैं तैयार नहीं होता हूं. so beautiful. So when Shri Ram got ready, किसकी नजर हट सकती थी उन पे, right? So, and not only this, when this love was there, right? Just imagine, everybody is witnessing this. The thought is going on कि भरत का स्नेह कितना है राम पे, राइट? और राम का स्नेह कितना है भरत पे. दिस इज भरत स्नेहशील व्रत नेमा, सादर सब वर नहीं अति प्रेमा. While all this is getting, everybody is getting ready, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, पर in their heart the constant, अभी तक तो राम 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 चल रहा था. After coming to Ayodhya, everybody has Bharat on there. अभी तक तो राम थे लक्ष्मण थे, राम थे लक्ष्मण थे. इनने बोला अरे ये तो भरत है. जस्ट इमेजिन, उन वानरों ने देखा कि ये भरत भी होते हैं, भरत जैसा भी कोई हो सकता है. They stopped saying Ram, they stopped saying Lakshman. Only in their mouth was going on Bharat, 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 Bharat. The affection, the amiability, the austerities, the discipline. कैसे? भरत स्नेह असील व्रत नेमा. कि this is the quality. See, ultimately nothing else matters. मतलब आज आपके पास में आप कुछ बाहर से दिखा रहे हैं, you have something, you don't have something, it is not going to leave a lasting impression on anybody, right? But what? Not the looks, not the haves, not the not haves, but what leaves a lasting impression on somebody's heart is the affection, the amiability, the decorum, the austerities, the discipline. Everything else is not needed. वो तो ठीक है, चेहरा प्रभु ने दे दिया, किस्मत से पैसा आ गया, बाकी का क्या? We forget to work on what is needed and we start running about after what will eventually come or go. किस्मत से आया है पैसा, किस्मत से चला जाएगा. आज खूबसूरत हो, एक दिन वो ढल जाएगा. It is just a matter of time, the looks will go. Money will stay if it has to, it will go if it has to. But what will always remain is, were you affectionate? Were you amiable? Were you disciplined? Were you loving? That leaves a lasting impression, and so much so कि राम लखन के जगह everywhere there was a murmur of Bharat, 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 Bharat. अयोध्या में राम राम नहीं, वानरों के मन में भरत 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 हो रहा था. And just imagine, listen, holy sir, all these, everybody, he goes and यहाँ पे he clasps, when he is touching the feet again of his guru before he is being crowned, he tells all the Vanars, and there is a very big lesson over here. He tells all the Vanars कि जो हम युद्ध जीत के आए ना, yes, it is because of your support. He tells Guru कि इनके बिना मैं नहीं जीत सकता था. पर वानरों को, who were disguised as human, he says कि इनके बिना मैं नहीं जीत सकता था. He is my Guru. It is because of him that I knew whatever I did and whatever happened was because of Guru Vashisht. If he had not imparted the knowledge, he had not trained me enough, he had not brought me up the way I am, nothing was possible. And क्या होता है ना, in our walk of life and our climb to success, we forget how many gurus were taken to make that one me. If it was not for that guru, कुछ भी नहीं होता. It is a humble reminder. जब राम अपने गुरु को नहीं भूला, तो हम क्या चीज है? What does he say? ए सब सखा सुनो मुनि मेरे, भय समर सागर कह बेरे, मम हित लागी जन्म इन होरा, हारे भरत होते मोहि अधिक प्यारे. पहले ये बोलते कि it is because of him that I was able to do something, Guru Vashisht. And then he says, Guru Vashisht, these Vanars are dearer to me even. They are more dear to me than Bharat also. Because they were there when I needed them the most. And your knowledge was there which got me to victory. बीच में राम तो है ही नहीं. और हम क्या होते हैं? We forget everything else और हम ही हम रह जाते हैं. Nowadays it is like ना, I'm a self-made man, I'm a self-made woman, I did this, I did that. In the crudest word, I would say Thenga. We are a sum total of everything that has made us. Let's not forget it. Ram is telling us this. And then, that is why कहते हैं ना वो राम थे. हम हैं, वो राम है. Right? And then he is, with all this, he is made to sit on that beautiful asan, which is gathered, it is like the glowing and the most perfect asan that Guru Vashisht gets made. Ramji goes there. And sometimes, Tulsi Baba, he is such an amazing poet. If we read the Ramcharitamanas ourselves, word by word, it is like it touches the heart. And he says, it is not possible, but he says the beauty, right? The good fortune of the city has been exalted by Vedas and Sage and Shardas, but they too were dazzled. It is dazzling. Hota hai na? Sometimes you become speechless. When you get so dazzled, you are speechless. Shabd nahi nikalte hain. It is impossible to describe what was happening there in Ayodhya. So over here he says, then who is Tulsi Baba? And Uma, he says, Shivji says, then who am I? When this kind of a thing is happening, ab sab chal raha hai. Beautifully, I wanted to complete quite a bit, but we couldn't. So, again and again, Shivji is telling the women who were like water lilies growing in the lake of Ayodhya had been withered. He's saying that everybody was withered and now everybody was blooming. कहते ना, दो तरह के लोग होते हैं. एक होता है जिससे दुख ही दुख मिलता है. Even the presence makes you feel drained. And then there is one person who without doing or without saying anything makes you bloom. मन खुश हो जाता है. तो दो तरह के लोग होते हैं. एक दुख देते, एक सुख देते. It is our choice कि हमें क्या बनना है. दुख देने वाला या सुख देने वाला. तो over here, Ram के होने से, just the mere presence of Ram, everything started blooming. Bhavani, the Lord came to know again, bar. See, we are unable to forgive a person who has wronged us itna sa. Now the Lord, again and again, he has Ma Kekeyi in his mind and he wants her to feel comfortable. He does not want her to feel guilty. When all this is happening, he is again and again working and going towards Ma Kekeyi's palace, trying to make her feel comfortable. Ki Ma, it's okay. It is destiny, right? होनी होके रहती है. जो होना था वो हो गया. It is not your fault, not my fault. Nobody does anything. Nobody has the power to. अगर हमारे हाथ में हो तो हम तो एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिला सकते. So who are we or who are they to wrong us or we to wrong them? Again and again the Lord is trying to make Ma Kekeyi comfortable. Ki Ma nahi. And we all know the secret, right? Ki ye sab hua kyun tha? So with this, they have all united. The preparations were made. Sri Ram was crowned the king. He is rightfully there on the throne with Ma Sita sitting on the left. Everybody is like, कहते हैं ना, लक्ष्मण है, भरत है, शत्रुघ्न है, कोई पंखा कर रहा है, कोई छतरी लेके खड़ा है. There is music and dance. There is so much of joy that every day a new joy is being ruptured. कहते हैं ना, joy पनप रही है, बाहर से नहीं आ रही है, अंदर से फूट रही है. See, we think things from outside give us joy. Just imagine a state where the joy is getting ruptured for no reason from within again and again and again. Unending joy is being ruptured from within. And that is the state of Ayodhya. When we describe the state of Ayodhya to the children, we ask them to imagine joy dancing around, Joy is dancing around Ayodhya. She's dancing around. She's walking through the doors and jumping out of the windows. Just dancing around in the gardens. That is the state of Ayodhya. So we ask the children, kabhi tumne khushi dekhi hai? Have you seen with these eyes? The people in Ayodhya could see with their eyes joy dancing around. That was the state of Ayodhya. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman.